Hi, if you have already purchased Zeifer ZFD1 height adjustable table, this installation video will be very helpful to you. So initially when we deliver or send the table to you, already we will be mounting the side brackets. As you can see, the side brackets are well mounted to the table top, and here you have screws for the controller, and this is the cable management this one unit, and here is the spiral cable manager unit, and the other side you can see the other bracket mounted on the both the sides. So you do not have to drill or do anything, already those parts are done, and you will get the table like this. And if you have already requested a power distributor unit as a optional add-on, it will be mounted here or here according to your wish. It will be mounted to the left or right anyhow, but later if you prefer you can change the side as well. So this is how the brackets are mounted. Quickly we'll see how we can assemble this table. Initially when you unbox, you can see accessories, the DIY tools and the screws comes with the table. Quickly we will see what are we have some cable management stickers. This one particularly the written as frame, the screws we use to assemble the frame, and here we have written feet, the screws we use to assemble the feet, and these are extra screws if you needed. All the screwing parts are done, the drilling and the screwing parts are done, so only the thing is you have to assemble the table frame, and we have the key to assemble these screws. Okay, the first step is to mount the middle bars. Here we have two middle bars, so we can mount it on the middle. So quickly I'll remove the covers. Initially we should loosen the screws like this, so we can adjust the middle bar to the frame. Okay, here you can see, just what you can do is just you can put the bar like this into the frame, and please keep in mind the screw part should come to the outer side, and this big hole should come to the outer side as well. So just sliding into the frame, same the way the other bar also, it should this outer side, this big hole side should goes to the outer side, and this screw part should come to the top. So if you're doing this part incorrectly, this holes won't align. And please keep in mind this middle hole, this hole should come to the middle. So I'm sliding into the middle, this as well. Now, okay, perfect. We are good to tighten the screws. Okay, then I have put all the 4 screws now, and after you're done you can see the middle bar mounted like this. Please keep in mind this bigger hole side should come to the outer side, and these screws one should go to the outer side as well. So now we are done, we can move to the next step. Now here we have the leg, and what you can do is in the leg you can using the other screws you can mount the feet onto this side to here. So each leg need 4 feet screws. You can do that. So in this video I'm going to do that because it's a pretty straightforward thing. You can just keep the feet like this and put all the 4 screws to the feet, and you can mount it. And let me show you how we can mount the legs to this one. You can keep like this, and both the side you can keep the legs. Okay, I have kept the legs to the both the side. Now we can put the screws. Please keep in mind, when we put the screws to this one on the left side, we need to adjust the hole a little bit to the match with the hole, so then we can put the screws like this. I'm not tightening, I'm just putting the screws first, then in the final stage we can tighten the screws. Okay, that same as like this. You should put all the 4 screws to the leg, and other one also. So you should put all the 4 screws to the leg. If you feel like when you mount the screws to the leg, it's a bit hard for you to align the holes, we have given 2 stickers. What you can do is you can paste it on the tabletop, and you can keep the feet on top of that, then it will align the holes properly. Let me show you quickly. So here you can see I have pasted 1 sticker here. Now let me keep the leg here. Okay, so now as you can see, it's aligning the holes properly after we paste the stickers. So it's your preference, it's better to paste the sticker and put the screws. It will be easy for you. Be careful, if you drop the screws, it will drop inside, so make sure you slowly go inside and put the screws. Otherwise, if it fell down, it's a bit hard to get it out. Now we will mount the controller. You might have gotten a controller like this. It's a touch controller, so we can unscrew the screws from the table, and we can keep the controller properly aligned to the edge. We can keep the screw. You can slowly mount it. Perfect. It should be aligned to the edge. So now perfect. We can move to the next step. Next, we have the leg wires. So this one we can directly connect to this one, and the other one we need an extender cable. Connect the cable to the controller and keep the adapter in the middle. And if you have the PDU, you can directly connect the controller power to the PDU, and you can get the PDU power to the wall socket. And you should mount this to the controller here like this connector, and we are connecting the adapter with the controller. Pretty straightforward. Let me show you close up. It's connected to the controller. Everything is now connected. So we'll move to the next step. So what you can do is you have this cable tie. So if you prefer, you can keep the adapter like this and put the cable tied to the bar, so it won't move here and there. If you prefer, you can do that, your preference. And you have magnetic sticker cable manager. You can stick here and tie the controller cables and everything together to make your cables tidy. Next, we will connect the square snake cable manager. Already we have mounted, when we send the table, already we drilled the drilling part, so you do not have to do anything. Only the thing is, you can unbox the square snake and you can connect it to this clip. Let me show it quickly. You should stick the magnet to the bar like this and connect it to clip it to this already mounted. Done. So this is how it's connect. You need to align it properly straight to the leg. show it close. So this is how you connect the Scarsnake cable manager. Next we'll see how we can connect the cable tray. I'll show you how to connect the cable tray quickly. So you have two of these. So the thing is, initially I said not to tighten the screws because we need to put more this bar, these connectors. So you can put like this, and you can keep the cable tray like this and put these two screws. That's all. And the final thing is, you need to arrange the cables and you need to properly manage your cables. So for that we have given these stickers. So I'll stick one and show how we can like organize the cables and stick it according to the place like this. Let's say if you want to organize from here, and paste it here like this. You can likewise. So you can use here one as well if you prefer. Inside one you can use. If you prefer, you can use this cable tie. We have given one cable tie. You can use it to tie this adapter with this frame. You can keep the adapter and put this cable tie and tie together, otherwise then it won't move here and there. So you can do that one. And finally you can attach the cable tray and put these two screws, and that's all. You can connect the power, and you can, if you are not getting the PDU, power distributor unit, you can run this power cable through this from here to down, so it will go through that. If you are getting the PDU, you connect this to the PDU and you can run the PDU wire through this Scarsnake cable manager. So that's all. Quickly I'll show how we can mount the feet as well. It's a pretty straightforward. Let me show it quickly. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the feet screws here and keep the feet like this on the bar. Before that, we'll get 4 of these the stand. You can screw simply to the feet here also. So what you can do is, after you doing this, you can keep the feet like this and put all 4 screws. Pretty straightforward. You can put all 4 screws here, and after you done with this one, you can tighten all the screws. And please make sure you are tightening all the screws pretty well, otherwise it will affect the stability of the table. So please make sure after you install the table, you tighten all the screws very well, so then you will get a pretty good stability. And one more thing, if you are getting a high quality caster wheels like this, instead of this one, you can put the wheels like this. So you have to, okay, so if you are getting the caster wheels, before you mount the feet, you can attach the caster wheels and then you can assemble the feet to the leg. So that's all. So I have shown pretty much everything. So in another video, I'll explain about how we can add the accessories to the tables. And guys, after you install the table, so we suggest you to get an assistant from another person to turn the table. So once you all assemble everything, the feet and the wheels and all, after you tighten all the screws, please get an assistant from another person to turn the table. So if you can turn the table alone, but we recommend to turn the table with the support of another person. Okay, thank you guys, bye.